I'm going to give the head and the feet pieces a little bit of TLC. I'm going to take a little bit of that Aleene's Stop Fray and put a tiny thin bead along the head, the gusset, and then the feet. I usually like to put a little bit just on my pincushion because I use a magnetic pincushion, and then use a toothpick so that I can get just the smallest amount all along the edge of the gusset and all those pieces, because these are going to be hand sewn in and get a little bit extra handling, and I want to make sure that that fabric is good and strong, that it doesn't fray, because that seam allowance is so tiny that if it frays just a little bit, all of a sudden you're going to have a hole where you're trying to sew. So go all the way around the gusset and the two sides, which are already sewn together. You don't want to glob it on too thickly. That's why I take tiny, tiny little bits and really spread it out nicely. I got a little too much there, so I'm going to spread it out a little. And then do the feet too. So that's where you're going to insert the foot pad.